Coconut oil is a widely used natural remedy for a large number of ailments, infections, and injuries besides being a good cooking help. Cosmetic industry has welcomed it with open arms by including it as an important ingredient in various skin and hair care products. But with all its benefits, is coconut oil good for ringworm? Well, it has already been used as a home remedy for ringworm since ancient times. Scientific research indicates that coconut oil is an antifungal agent. We will take a closer look at how effectively coconut oil helps with ringworm and how to use it for best results. Ringworm infections are itchy circular rash forms. The inside may contain clear skin or red bumps. Ringworm may also be referred to as an athlete's foot and jock itch depending on which part of the body it occurs. Usually most mild cases of ringworm are treated by over-the-counter, OTC, antifungal creams, ointments and powders. If you are one of those people who believe in using natural remedies instead of chemical-based treatments, then you can try coconut oil. It has strong antifungal capabilities to deal with mild or superficial fungal infections. Lauric acid and other medium-chain fatty acids in coconut oil provide this antifungal capabilities. In a study, coconut oil was found more powerful than some of the OTC medicines in treating candida, a fungal infection. So you are safe to use coconut oil on mild ringworm infections without any side effects generally associated with chemical products. Coconut oil is also anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It can soothe skin irritation and flakiness to reduce the feeling of itchiness. Here are 2 simple ways to use it. After cleaning the affected skin area, you can apply virgin coconut oil by cotton swab. Apply 3 to 4 or more times during the day. Adding other natural antifungal agents like tea tree oil can expedite healing. You can mix 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil in a teaspoon of coconut oil before applying on the affected skin. Since ringworm is contagious, do not touch it by your hands. Always use cotton swabs to apply the treatment. Sunlight exposure helps to heal ringworm fast. If your ringworm infection doesn't improve after a week of coconut oil treatment, then consult a doctor as you may require more aggressive treatment. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.